Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe for chicken parm burgers, and I'm not kidding you, these are so good. So it's really easy to make. I will put all the ingredients and the recipe in the description box underneath this video, but basically it's just ground chicken, some breadcrumbs, parsley, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and some salt and pepper. And you just mix that really well and you form it into 4 patties. So it makes 4, but they're pretty large, so definitely feeds my family. And surprisingly, Jackson loves these. He is the pickiest eater in all the land, but he loves this, and so does my husband, which it's hard. They're both picky, so it's very hard for me to find recipes I can make that everyone's gonna eat, and I don't have to make 2 different meals a night. So here I am. I have my skillet heated up, a little bit of oil at the bottom, and I'm just gonna put the burgers in there. I'm gonna cook them for about 5 minutes on each side. You just want them to be seared really well. They don't have to be cooked all the way through because we will finish cooking those. We're gonna let them simmer in some sauce. So I'm gonna flip those over, continue cooking. And this recipe actually came from the Delish Cookbook. I'll link it below in the description. Got it as a gift, and it has some really awesome recipes in it that I've been loving. So highly recommend it. There's some awesome things in there. So here I am. Once they've cooked on both sides, I'm gonna add in the pasta sauce. You probably wanna turn it down a little bit because it's really, really hot at this point. Probably used about half the jar. Just wanna make sure there's enough sauce in there that I could simmer in it. And then I took some mozzarella and I placed it on all the burgers. And then you put a lid on it and you let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes, and that way it'll finish cooking all the way through. Says you can also top them with basil. Again, picky eaters. So I only put it on a couple of them, particularly mine. I think Raylan ate it. She's a better eater than the boys. But I never really buy fresh herbs, but I found these little containers that are partially dried, so they're still kind of wet, and they keep for a long time in the fridge, and they're very fragrant and pack a lot of flavor. You can find those in probably your local grocery store. I find them near the rest of the fresh herbs. And here is what the burger looks like. It is so good. So good. So I will leave all the information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.